Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, and fellow seekers of personal growth, I stand before you today to challenge the notion of comfort and inspire you to step outside its confines. Welcome to this empowering and eye-opening motivational speech about you will fail in your comfort zone. My friends, it's time to have a real conversation about comfort. While it may seem peaceful and inviting, it can also be a breeding ground for complacency and mediocrity. Today, I want to push you to embrace the discomfort that comes with growth and to step boldly into the unknown. It is within the boundaries of our comfort zones where dreams wither and potential remains untapped. The comfort zone is a deceptive place that lulls us into a false sense of security and prevents us from reaching our true potential. Imagine for a moment a life without challenges, without obstacles to overcome. It might sound appealing at first, but it is in those very challenges that we find the opportunities for growth and transformation. It is through adversity that we discover our strength and resilience. I want you to think about the times in your life when you've achieved something truly remarkable. Did it happen when you were comfortably nestled within the boundaries of what you already knew? Or did it happen when you stepped outside your comfort zone and embraced the unknown? Failure is often seen as something to be avoided at all costs. But in reality, failure is a stepping stone to success. It is in those moments of failure that we learn the most valuable lessons, refine our approach, and ultimately achieve greatness. I've experienced my fair share of failures, but each one has been a valuable lesson that propelled me forward. It was in those moments of discomfort that I discovered my true potential and unleashed my hidden talents. Stepping outside your comfort zone requires courage and a willingness to face uncertainty. It means taking risks, embracing failure, and learning from every setback. It means pushing through fear and self-doubt to pursue your dreams with unwavering determination. But here's the beautiful truth: the magic happens outside your comfort zone. It is in those moments of discomfort that you discover your true capabilities, tap into your creativity, and unlock doors of opportunity that you never knew existed. I challenge you today to break free from the chains of comfort and embrace the unknown. Push yourself to try new things, to take risks, and to pursue your dreams with a tenacity that cannot be extinguished. Surround yourself with individuals who elevate you, who ignite your passions, and who challenge you to be better. Seek out mentors, coaches, and role models who have thrived outside their comfort zones and let their stories inspire you. Remember, failure is not the end. It is merely a stepping stone on your path to success. Embrace it, learn from it, and keep moving forward with unwavering hope and determination. So, my friends, I implore you to step outside your comfort zone and embrace the discomfort that comes with growth. Dare to fail, dare to learn, and dare to achieve greatness. As I conclude this empowering message, I want you to remember that your comfort zone is a trap, a place where dreams go to die. Break free from its confines, embrace the discomfort, and watch as your life transforms before your eyes. Together, let us banish mediocrity and embrace the power of discomfort, for it is in those moments that we truly shine. Thank you.